What's up, guys? It's Alex here from Bass Bites Fishing, and I am out here in Tampa Bay, Florida. We're going to be recording a video here. It's about 5:30 right now. The tide is going out, I'm pretty sure, which I'm not too happy about that. But we got a little bit of cloud cover here. It might start to rain a little bit. It shouldn't be too bad. But we're down here, and we're going to mess around a little bit, see if we can catch some fish. So stay tuned. Let's have a nice video. Switching up to this new bait. It's a voodoo something, I don't really know. We're getting desperate out here. Hopefully a jack or something rolls through. I know they come through here a bit. Oh, right at the bank. Snook, baby. Oh, that was sick. That was sick. There's my first snook in Tampa this year. Or this semester, I should say. He bit that. Whoa. Ow, 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 ow. Whoa. He bit that right at the rocks. Little Tampa snook. Little dude, but that's a freaking start right there. Let's get a release on this dude as best as I can. Right back into the rocks. Second cast with that new bait. I knew it looked too freaking good, man. It's a voodoo something. Voodoo shad, maybe? The voodoo shad. Crazy good action. And that snook was sitting right in the rocks. Really shallow, like super, super shallow. Freaking sweet. What's up, guys? It's Alex here from Bass Bites Fishing. And this might be a part of the video that I recorded a couple days ago where I caught the small snook. But we're out here at Bayshore, and we're gonna be fishing a little bit in the evening, see if we can get another snook. My voice is kind of gone. That's why I sound like this. So I don't know how well my commentary is gonna be or how well it's gonna sound, but we're gonna try. So we're actually heading down to the spot where I caught my first ever snook. It's a little drainage pipe, and a lot of fish like to sit around it. So we're gonna head back to it right now, see if we can get anything. Let's do it. Water's pretty calm over here. And it's pretty easy to find where the little drainage pipe is. Kind of just look over this, you can actually see the bubbles over here. I haven't been in this spot in almost a year, so I'm not really sure what it's like. We're just gonna be using this little paddle tail. I'm gonna cast kind of far away from it first. There's a fish. Not sure what we got here. Little baby snook. A dolphin?
Yeah, there's dolphins.
Actually, they're very smart and they cannot get hooked.
Really?
Yeah, I've been in that situation before.
What? Why? Oh, like you didn't hurt the dolphin?
No, of course not. I sometimes use live bait, and there's Snook right here, guys. And they're actually smart enough to take the fish off of the hook without getting hooked. So it's very, very interesting.
Wow. Okay, I was gonna.
But yeah, they're way too smart.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
I won't, like...
I just caught a snook.
Oh, did you? What
2 minutes ago. Little guy, but hey, it's a start. What?
What are you using?
Little paddle tail. Yeah. Thank you. Well, that was a little guy. I'd like to upgrade a little bit. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video right there. I forgot to film the outro out there, so I'm doing it right now. But make sure to continue to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.